Okay. Hi everyone. I'm going to do a walk through the financial account or bank account of the BlockPaisa. So it's from a customer perspective. So me as a customer logging into my account, this is how it looked like. So on the left-hand side panel, I have the overview, activity, statement, and settings. So for example, right now I'm in the overview tab. So this is how it looked like. So my balance or the say last 4 weeks, and then there was some transaction happening toward the end of October, say October 30th and 31st. So my account, my balance, this is how it looked like. So current balance, pending, and available balance. Similarly, we have the cash flow format, so money in, money out. So this is amount money in and money out. You can see it from here. So you can see the months in here, the amount on the y-axis, and then the months for the time on the x-axis. So let me click on the activity tab and have it look like. Okay, so in here we can see the date, to and from, amount, balance. So those are the transactions that are still pending. So these in black are the debit amounts that has been debited to her account. So in this case, the test account that we have is with the name of Lena. So she has been debited by Mina and Diva, myself as a test. These amounts, those are the debit amounts, and then these ones are the credit amounts. So for example, if I want to click on a certain transaction, I can see some more details in here. And if I wanted to see a receipt, I can just click on that, and I will be seeing that too. Similar, this is a send money button. So if I click on that one, so say I want to send some money to someone, so I'm just going to put the name of the person in there. So in this case, say it's me, and then I put, this is a test routing number and account number, so it doesn't matter which numbers I'm putting in. I click on next, and I see I want it to be $25. Descriptor, so I would say test 1 or test 2, doesn't matter. So I can see some description saying this is a test transaction. So and then I click on next. And they just wanted to confirm. So yes, send $25, and you will see that the $25 will appear at the top in here. So now this is the activity section. So if I click on the statements section, so let me just go back into activity, and you will see the recent transaction that I just made. I think so I had another $25 transaction too, but I have this one just that I made right now, so you can see it here too. So I click on that on October 31st, and that was some of the description here. So let me just go back to the statements, and then you can download your statements too in a PDF version from here. So you see money in, money out, and then ending balance. We click on the PDF version, so you can see how it looked like in a PDF format. So it's being downloaded. I'm going to click on that. It's opening in a new page. So it's taking some time to load. My apologies for that. So until it's being loaded, I hope it happens soon. Yes, here you go. So you can see in here, so account holder, Lena Shop, that's her address. In the United States, and the banking partner is Stripe Test Bank, and some information in here. So let me just go back to that. So we are done with the statement tab. Now I'm going to click on the settings. You can see some other things in here. So this is a financial account that has a card, a virtual card attached to it. So you can see the card number. So let me click on the reveal. Doesn't matter since it is a test account. So you can see the numbers, the card number, expiration date, the CVV number, and also the name of the card, Lena Levis, and its cardholder address. So you can see we have the card here, and then we have the cash account here. So it's kind of a bank account with a card account. So some profile, if someone wanted to add these things, you can see that being done as well. So let me just go back to the overview. So this is how it looked like. There is another dashboard that we from BlockPaisa's sites can also navigate and manage. So if I click, this is the dashboard that we can see from here. So in here, we can see the overview, the card holders. So in this case, if I click on the card holder, we have only one card holder in this case, which is Lena, but we can also issue more cards. For example, Lena is running a shop and she has a few more employees and we wanted to issue more cards to her employees that they can use. We can do it through here too. So we can create a new card holder and fit all this information. In this case, we have already created for Lena. And then this is the virtual card that was attached to the financial account. And this is also another test card that I created was in the physical format. If you wanted to receive this card in a physical format, this is how it looked like. At the moment, you can see that the physical card and the virtual card are different. We're still figuring out how to make sure that it's one card. So she has both a virtual card and also she has the physical card. So we're working on that to figure that out with Stripe and how it works out. So if I click on the homepage, so there's so many different services that a customer can have access to. For example, on the homepage, you can see some transaction happening. It's not similar to what was happening in the financial account, but it's a bit different than that. So we can see the balance, the customers, the product reports, and then those here. So you can see all those different services available to a customer that we can provide to them. And then when I click on the issuing, which is the card creation, that's where we were able to see the card holder and also creating a new card. So this is how the MVP of the bank account look like. We're using the Stripe technology. That is Stripe Treasury, which is banking as a service, banking as a service, yes, platform, and the card issuing service too. So yes, thank you. That's it.